Nvidia is making headlines with a surprising move. The company is investing $5 billion in Intel, taking roughly a 4% stake in its longtime competitor. On the surface, it seems strange. Nvidia is riding the AI boom, while Intel has struggled with technology and recently reported major losses. Hello, I'm Julian Cavul, founder of Ecosystemizer and co-author of Ecosystemize Your Business. Today, we are going to look at what this investment really means, not just for Nvidia and Intel, but from a broader business ecosystem perspective. At first, it might seem counterintuitive that two rivals would join forces. But this move highlights a trend we are seeing across the tech industries. Traditional competition is giving way to coopetition, where companies compete and collaborate at the same time. Nvidia brings world-leading GPU technology to the table, while Intel has deep expertise in CPUs and chip manufacturing. Separately, they are strong, but together they can create products and solutions neither could develop alone. This is exactly the type of collaboration ecosystems are built on. Leveraging complementary strength to generate value that's simply impossible in isolation. But there's more than just technology at play here. The semiconductor industry is under pressure from global politics and supply chain vulnerabilities. Asian manufacturing, especially Taiwan's TSMC, dominates chip production, which has become a strategic concern for the US. By investing in Intel, Nvidia is not only partnering with a competitor, but also contributing to a broader effort to strengthen domestic capacity and technological sovereignty. This is a perfect example of how ecosystems don't just create business value, they also build resilience in the face of uncertainty. Ultimately, what this deal shows is a shift in how competitive advantage is defined. It's no longer just about having the best product or technology on its own. Success now depends on access to partners, platforms, supply chains, and even political support. Companies that can orchestrate these relationships, balancing rivalry and collaboration, will be the ones leading the next wave of innovation. Nvidia's investment in Intel isn't just a transaction. It's a sign that the future of tech will be driven by strategically managed ecosystems, not isolated competition. So what does this mean for you? Here are the 3 key takeaways to keep in mind. Number 1, collaboration can amplify strength. Even rivals can create more value together than alone. Look for opportunities where complementary capabilities can turn competition into collaboration. Number 2, resilience is built through ecosystems. In uncertain times, having strong partners, access to supply chains, and shared resources makes your business more adaptable and secure. And number 3, competitive advantage is about access, not just performance. It's no longer enough to have the best product. The companies that thrive are those that can orchestrate networks, connect with partners, and leverage strategic relationships effectively. If this video helped you understand why ecosystems are the future of business, hit the like button and subscribe to the Ecosystemizer channel for more insights on building and thriving in business ecosystems. Thanks for watching and keep innovating.